root 5 is an irrational number. Prove that. So this is a frequently asked question in Sebastian NCERT. Okay, are you scared of this maths? Don't need to scared of this math, because here is your maths educator Shreya ma'am to make this math easy. Let's start this proof. Root 5, what do you have to do? Root 5 is an irrational number. So this we will going to prove by contradiction method. Okay, so इसको irrational proof करना है, तो हम लोग assume कर लेते हैं क्या root 5 is a rational number. So let us assume that root 5 is a rational number. Okay, so assume कर लिया क्या root 5 is a rational number. So अगर assume कर लिया root 5 is a rational number, so we can write root 5 equals to p by q, because we know a rational number can be represented as p by q form where q not is equal to 0. And let us apply a condition here. P and q are co-prime number. P and q are co-prime. What do you mean by co-prime number? Co-prime number means two number when they have common factor 1. Okay, when two numbers have common factor only 1, then we can say these two number is called co-prime number. So p by q क्या है? Co-prime number है. Next step, squaring both sides. So when you squaring both sides, so we will get what? Root 5 square means 5 equals to p by q square, that is p square by q square, and q square multiplies here, so 5q square equals to p square. Okay, so here 5 p square is divided by 5, p square is divided by 5, so p also divided by 5. Here p square is divides 5 divided by 5, so p is also divided by 5. Okay, am I clear? Rest of the portion we will write here. So p is also divided by 5. Next we will assume that p equals to 5m. m क्या है? m is an integer, where m is any integer. Okay. Next, what we will do? Squaring again both sides. So we will get p square equals to 25m square, because 5 square is 25 and m square is m square. So we got the value of p square is 5q square here. So we put the value of p square is 5q square from here. Next, 25m square. So when you divide 5 on the both sides, we got q square equal to 5m square. Okay, again we will write like this statement. Q square is divided by 5, q square is divides 5, q square is divided by 5. So q is also divided by 5. Am I clear? अगर q स्क्वायर डिवाइड हो रहा है 5 से, तो q भी डिवाइड होगा 5 में. तो देखो यहाँ पर हमने लिखा p डिवाइड हो रहा है 5 से, और यहाँ पर देखा गया q डिवाइड हो रहा है 5 से. मीन्स p भी डिवाइड हो रहा है 5 से, q भी डिवाइड हो रहा है 5 से. मीन्स यू कैन से p and q have a common factor as 5. So you can write p and q have common factor as 5, but we here assume here 5 p and q क्या है? कोप्राइम है, मतलब इसका ओनली वन ही कॉमन फैक्टर होगा. पर हम लोग यहाँ पर क्या देख रहा है? 5 कॉमन फैक्टर आ रहा है. दैट्स मीन्स आवर assumption was false. So that creates a contradiction. That creates a contradiction. So by so so by contradiction we can say root 5 is an irrational number. क्लियर? अगर हम लोग क्या पकड़े थे? क्या ये रूट 5 रैशनल नंबर था, इसलिए हम लोग ऐसे कोप्राइम नंबर लिखे थे पी वाई क्यू को, पर ये ही गलत हो रहा है। तो मतलब क्या, जो पहले वाला अजम्पशन था वही गलत था। मतलब रूट 5 क्या है? एक रैशनल नंबर नहीं है, क्या है? इरेशनल नंबर है। So ऐसे that's in this method we can prove that root 5 is an irrational number. So you can put in the similar way root 3 is an irrational number, root 2 is an irrational number, root 7 is an irrational number, root 11 is an irrational number in the same procedure. Okay.